थैंक यू सब लोग आने के लिए आज। आज हम लोग का साथ दिमुम परतीन है। दिमुम जो गैपोली का फाउंडर है, और वैसे तो वो इंजीनियरिंग में उसका बैचलर्स किया था, फिर इसके बाद मास्टर्स डेवलपमेंट स्टडीज़ में, और फिर एग्रो इकोलॉजी में डिप्लोमा किया था। वो 2023 में यूथ कोलैब समिट जो हुआ था, जो कि यूएनडीपी और सीटीआई फाउंडेशन का इनिशिएटिव था, उसमें इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया था और गैपोली को एक लेट्स से ग्लोबल लेवल में लेके आया था, इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था। तो आज हम लोग का साथ दिमम है और वो हम लोग को अपने बारे में थोड़ा बहुत शेयर करेगा। सो दिमम, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर आने के लिए। और लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ लाइक ए लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट योरसेल्फ, और आज के पॉली करता क्या है।
Thank you for the introduction. I think you have pretty much covered most of the part of my introduction. But Gapwali Abhi, like right now, we had started with one millet variety. So Abhi, we are adding another millet variety, which is a variety of a foxtail millet. So जो भी like अभी जो वो मिलेट भी अभी यहाँ बिल्कुल like very few, इनफैक्ट ये जो मिलेट अभी जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, it has been even more difficult to like source for the seed for that millet. So yeah, we are working to add that and distribute among the farmers that the few like millet seeds that we have sourced. And I feel like my intention wasn't to like work with millet, but eventually like the whole point is that millet has been actually one of the oldest crop that are like that was consumed. So yeah, most of the crop that has been delocalized or like are lesser consumed now eventually had to be millet. So which is why the another crop is also like happening to be a millet variety only. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And so yeah, the another aspect of it is also to sell it. So after the last pilot in June, sorry, this year we were intending to like put the product again in April, like in the market. But because of some struggles with packaging and all, there has been a slight delay. But most probably by mid May, like we'll put it up in the market.
ओके, एक सवाल है।
Mm.
आप जब
Mm.
डीलोकलाइज्ड क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं, उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
हाँ, तो या दीज आर द ये जो क्रॉप्स होता है यूजुअली लाइक जो लोकल एरिया में ग्रो होता है, जो लाइक विच हैज ऑलवेज बीन देयर लाइक इंडिजिनियसली लाइक जस्ट ग्रोन देयर, बट बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक अदर पॉलिसीज, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, और लाइक थ्रू प्रायोरिटाइजेशन ऑफ अदर कमर्शियल क्रॉप्स एक्सेट्रा, सो वो सब क्रॉप्स जो ऑलरेडी होता है लोकल क्रॉप्स, वो लोग पुश अवे हो जाता है. So that's basically what delocalization means, like pushing away of native crop species because of, other like reasons.
वैसे तो आप दाम्बुक का है, तो आप स्कूलिंग
हाँ,
कॉलेज ये सब कहाँ पे किया था वैसे?
हाँ. तो स्कूल हम शारदा मिशन, आर के शारदा मिशन खोंसा में पढ़ा था. एंड उसके बाद आई वेंट टू दिल्ली फॉर लाइक 12th तक. Feel like yeah, college started. I studied in Punjab, which I don't want to talk about. But eventually I did what I wanted to by joining development studies. So yeah, that's यही है. I think that's pretty much it as my education part.
ओके, और एज़ अ
Hmm.
स्टूडेंट स्कूल में कैसा था वैसे?
I think, oh my God, this feels like okay. As a student, I think I have been mostly like the loner. And I mean, like study-wise, I was decent. Like, I think I was above average. Not really one of those who would hard, like, work hard or like laborious kind of a student, but yeah, I mean, I would do what I need to do. I mean, I understood my responsibility to study well, get good enough marks, so that I don't disappoint my parents. That was there. But apart from that, yeah, I think mostly like socially, if we talk about, I think it's very important to like talk about the social aspect in the school as well. So I've been like kind of a loner, like try to avoid as much as like like complications among friends and all. So yeah, I think that's pretty much sums up my school life.
और और जब जैसे कि जब स्कूल में था ना, तो बड़ा
Hmm.
बड़ा होकर क्या बनना चाहता था ऐसा ना? क्या क्या एम्बिशंस
Oh,
था तब?
yeah. So honestly, like I think ऐसा कभी ऐसा मेरा like in my life in general, I have never had ambition as such कि like बड़ा हो कि यही बनेगा or like never been really passionate about a particular thing, one particular thing. Like I think people who do that are really fortunate. But for me, it wasn't there. But I mean, like till class 10, I think it was there to like, wanting to become a doctor. But eventually it changed. So yeah, like there has never really been any like particular ambition that yeah, but it's just that I wanted to do good, that was there, like not just loiter around, but never really had, honestly, like if I think about it, like ambition as such, yeah, other than just doing good.
सो सो आपका इंजीनियरिंग करेगा बोल के ना कॉलेज का,
Hmm.
वो
Hmm.
डिसीजंस कैसा बना? और फिर उसके बाद जैसे कि मास्टर डेवलपमेंट स्टडीज़ करेगा इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के, वो सब डिसीजंस
Hmm.
जो कैसे हुआ?
Uh-uh. So, engineering as a subject, like, I mean, like, I think most Arunachal people in Arunachal and their household stories where the parents ask the children to take up a professional course. So, it's a very cliched story that I also went through. But I think during engineering is when what I realized. I mean, I had friends like who were doing other courses, others like yeah. It's also about the friends who were doing other subjects and very interesting subjects they had chosen. Obviously not intentionally, but it happened to like fall under their ranks and all. So yeah, I think through being among a circle where like they had different subjects to choose and different colleges they aspired to, and in that momentum of talking to friends and wanting to learn more is when I realized that, oh yeah, I would like to do something like that, something like development studies. And also through that's when my ambition began actually. Like it began with wanting to study in Tata Institute, Bombay campus only, and also wanting to do development studies. Yeah, that was like one ambition that I wanted to like get there. Like, there was one point. Yeah.
ओके.
And it further led to opening a lot of doors for me, like as a subject, as people I met, as the professors that I connected with. Yeah.
सो डेवलपमेंट स्टडीज़ एग्ज़ैक्टली है क्या वैसे?
So yeah, actually any like जो भी development studies पढ़े उसको पूछने से they'll all be like, I don't know what to say. So it's basically a multidisciplinary course, So lot of like actually almost all of like subjects that art student studies, it like they cover like tiny bit of all of those course. So it's also very like a spread out course that way. So yeah, like that's pretty much I can say about it. Like you study economics, sociology, like like every aspect of social science, like little bit of it. Yeah. So like it's a good course for like civil service aspirants like that. Like they get to like learn about different subjects. But obviously my aspiration wasn't civil service in general. So yeah.
ओके. तो फिर वहाँ से आप जो एग्रो इकोलॉजी में कैसे एंटर किया?
Oh, that's a long story and something else altogether.
हुँ, हुँ.
So after the masters, like uh, I mean, so I'll just come to like agroecology, how I like वो agroecology कैसा पहुंचा. So there was this. So I was in a surfing school like for few months in Mulki, and by then I had some idea like I would like to do something related to farm, because just prior the surfing school, I was in a staying in a farm in like Hosakote. It's near Mysore, like for a month, where I realized like we have farms back home. Like why can't we also do something like that? That sort of a thing, I got that there. And so when I was in the surfing school, like a lot of people from different, uh, parts and different professions comes there. So in that, I like happened to speak to one of the person there, like, and he told me, and then he was just asking me, what do you plan to do and all. So in that very normal conversation, I was telling him very vaguely about, something about farm. And then he was telling, oh, you should, you know learn about this subject, agroecology. It's like he takes, once a year he takes a course, like a 15-day course. He gives it to the people, and it's in Orissa and all. So yeah, that's how I got introduced. So it's important that we talk to people also.
अभी गेपो वाले जो शुरू किया ना, वो शुरू करने से
Hmm.
पहले आपका कोई वर्क एक्सपीरियंस था?
Hmm. So yeah, so just after my masters, I mean, obviously सब लोग जॉब ढूंढने लग रहा था, and I was also there. So ना काफी लोग का प्लेस हो चुका था मेरे क्लास में, and I was very worried, even though I was really like open to like any field. Like I was like, it's okay, like मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगी, जो भी आए, जो भी like pays well. So in that, I happened to join a startup based in Bombay called Cool Kanya. So I joined as an intern because they were looking for a digital marketing person. And so I joined as an intern for a month, and they really liked my work. So they said they would like to hire me full time. So yeah, that's how I joined that. And I worked there for a year and a half. And honestly, after that, I could see no learning curve as such. So I thought maybe I should switch. And a few of my friends had joined the political consultancy firm. They were working for the West Bengal election. So I thought, oh, politics. I mean, I do like reading politics in general, so why not try? So that's when I like applied for IPAC. It's called the Indian Political Action Committee. And when I saw, yeah, I joined there. I moved to Calcutta after Bombay, worked there for a year, and I realized like I don't think this fits me well, like a 9 to 5 job kind of a thing. Yeah, these are the only two experiences that I have. Yeah, a full-time work experience.
सो आपका जो ये वर्क एक्सपीरियंस था, वो आपको जब ये गेपो वाली बना रहा था ना, तो उसमें
Hmm.
किस तरह हेल्प किया? मीन्स कैसे आपका ये स्टार्टअप को लोगों तक पहुँचाना है, ऐसा?
Mm-hmm.
आई मीन वहाँ से कुछ
Uh,
लर्निंग्स था जो आप ट्रांसफ़र कर पाया?
I mean, I learned I learned things which I shouldn't be doing, and also, but actually, honestly, as a startup, एक वो अच्छा सीखा, like when I was working for the startup, I used to wonder, like, because as a startup it's always evolving and changing. I mean, it's very cliche, like everyone says that, right? But I didn't realize it until I started it myself, that, oh, I mean, it's very normal that you tend to like mold yourself as you come across certain situations and certain problems that you get to see in your path. So that was there, like, okay, like, these are the certain things that you can change along your way. And yeah, and also Gapwali isn't like that big of a workforce yet as such that, I can really comment on, like, like work policy or, any things like that, that I don't think I'm at a stage right now to like speak around all of that.
सो
Hmm.
अगर लोग पूछते हैं ना आपको कि गेपोली
Hmm.
है क्या? गेपोली का मिशन क्या है? तो आप यूजुअली
Hmm.
क्या जवाब देते?
Oh, yeah. So it's very simple actually, which I really like as well. Like it's about reviving like lost crops or like underappreciated crops. Hmm.
तो लेकिन हम लोग लोकल पीपल लोग इसको कैसे समझते हैं?
तो हाँ, तो अभी लाइक जब ये वाला मिलेट के बारे शुरू कर रहा था,
हुँ।
so जब when I was giving workshops like to raise awareness and about all of that, so तब भी like they were also like, oh हाँ, like we actually used to have all of that, like अभी तो नहीं उगाता है कोई भी ऐसा, such kind of mostly like a very nostalgic reaction is what I gauge from the audience.
वैसे गेपो वाली का मीनिंग क्या है? मतलब आपका डायलेक्ट में कुछ मीन करता है? एंड ये
हाँ
नाम
हाँ,
कैसे आया?
so yeah, so gapo means comfort. And Ali means it's not like it's like the not sapling really, but जो seeds को नहीं बचाते हैं, like first seed of the fruiting so that you use it for the next season. So that's Ali in wo in Adi. So Gapo like is a term like just comfort in general is a term that I like really associate myself with. I really like yeah resonate with that like in terms of everything. So I mean, this was there. Like I always used to say, I mean, yeah, like if at all I start something ever in my life, I'll use the term gapo in it.
आप हर समय से फार्मिंग में टच में था, इन द सेंस आपका फैमिली में भी फार्मिंग
Hmm.
में था, लाइक हाउ डिड
Hmm.
यू गेट इन टच विद फार्मिंग,
Hmm.
सेंटिमेंट्स क्या है बिहाइंड इट? या
Hmm. So honestly, like farming, like my parents, like even though they are not full-time farmers, but they have always encouraged me, like all of my siblings, like बचपन से हमेशा खेती ले जाता था. But I wouldn't do anything there. I would be one of those who would just go there. Like खेती का खाना ज़्यादा टेस्टी नहीं होता है, उसको खाने जाएगा ऐसा. I was one of those. So, but maybe that got ingrained in me. I feel like now that I think about it, if I look back, because had they not encouraged me to like go and all, I don't think I would have like, I don't know, but I'm just thinking that must have somewhere ingrained me like about this farming. So that's why like it was a bit difficult for them to like uh, take it in as that I want to do something on farming, like someone who has never done. And also it's very normal, like like I was good in studies, I was one of the good students, so they don't expect me like someone like that to go farm and stuff like that. Like their understanding of farming is different in general. So it was a bit like yeah, they didn't not take it like positively, but they were quite surprised. Yeah.
ओके,
And I
एंड
think they found it funny
व्हाई सो, लाइक
because like someone who was always like just gone to the farm and not done much and wanting to do now. So it was a quite a questionable decision for them, like for them like towards me.
सो यू मेंशन लास्ट टाइम वी टॉक दैट आफ्टर यू वेंट बैक होम तब देखा था कि दम्बू का प्रोडक्शन वगैरह कम हो रहा था. वाज इट पर्टिकुलरली ये इंडिजिनस क्रॉप के कारण था, या आल्सो समथिंग एल्स दैट स्पार्क यू टू स्टार्ट गपोवाली?
Hmm.
अभी बोला कि फार्मिंग इनग्रेन था, बट एक सर्टेन
Hmm.
पॉइंट होता है ना हर किसी का कि तब
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
श्योर होता है कि हाँ आई हैव टू डू दिस, वो कब था
Hmm.
ऐसा
Yeah,
था?
yeah. So after I got introduced to agroecology as a subject, it really opened my mind around like food species and like just species and biodiversity and ecosystem in general. So that's when I remember like one conversation I had with my grandmother. Like when she used to really like this particular the first millet that we are working on, the Adle millet, that she was craving for it, and we were like trying our hands to get on that millet, but it was a little difficult then. And then and that millet used to be a staple like for them, right? And I realized, okay, like that used to be a staple for them, and now we don't even consume it. Like forget grow like. So that moment was there. I'm like, oh, okay, like why don't I bring back, because that would add to the species diversity in general, like if like food diversity also, of course, the species linked to that crop. So that was there, and also it's a very like prominent problem in Dambuk. Like if at all you come, like the production of oranges that had like really fallen, and now you see the orchards are mostly just lying barren and not taken care of, because when you do a monoculture, it's in a big land you do it, right? So that problem is something that I had noticed. And also my dad, since we also have orange orchard, so my dad was also like quite concerned. So in that momentum of okay, like what can be done around all of this is like how the agroecology and everything came up. And so now actually Gapwali is working towards a regeneration of a soil through rewilding as well in one of the orange orchard here, where most of the like oranges like trees are like quite barren. So we are trying our ways to like rewild and see if at all if that works best.
सो एक सवाल है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ये जो
Hmm.
एक एक बिगर प्रॉब्लम है ना, तो जब
Hmm. Hmm.
ये इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए जैसे कि गेपोली का एक आइडिया आया, तो
Hmm.
इसमें लोग कैसे सपोर्ट किया? आई मीन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कुछ
Hmm.
सपोर्ट मिला?
Hmm. Actually, वो बहुत important था. Like, so when this idea came, तभी एक्चुअली वो हो रहा था अरुणाचल प्रदेश इनोवेशन एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्क में ना स्टार्टअप दैट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप चैलेंज आई थॉट आई मीन व्हाई कैन आई जस्ट पिच माय आइडिया एज वेल आई मीन दे वर टेकिंग द आइडिया स्टेज also so yeah I did that and I wasn't really expecting much because most of the other startups or like other businesses that had come they had already like had good revenue or like and mine was actually idea like there was nothing in the picture just an idea and yeah so with them accepting my idea that did really help me move forward that okay like like first step of validation is something that I got through that and yeah so that led to like some other programs and on yeah
तो
सो
हम लोग का जो एग्रीकल्चर एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट्स है, लाइक
hmm.
उस तरफ से कभी कुछ सपोर्ट मिला या फिर आपने कभी रीच आउट करने का ट्राई किया?
No actually agriculture and horticulture because I feel like वो लोग का आई मीन आई हैव मैंने रीच आउट नहीं किया सो मे बी इट्स लाइक मे बी आई शुड ट्राई रीचिंग आउट बट देयर आइडिया इज मोस्टली टू हेल्प लाइक the philosophy behind what they want out of this crops is very commercial aspect of it is what they look for because the type of crops they promote also these are like very commercial like they expect something so that way I didn't really think like if at all but maybe like in the coming years I should definitely do that
तो आप जो अरुणाचल स्टार्टअप प्रोग्राम बोला ना, क्या उसी का
हाँ
थ्रू आप यूथ कोलैब को मिला ना, कैसे?
हाँ so actually like when you जब हमने join कर लिया उसमें so we have a WhatsApp group and all and they start circulating like different startup competitions and all right so उसमें they had like this as well they had shared this link so वहाँ apply किया and फिर वहाँ हो गया ऐसा further I got incubated there and then yeah
तो अभी आप बोला ना वहाँ पे इंक्यूबेटेड हुआ, तो यहाँ पे
हाँ
वो लोग ऑडियंस लोग में शायद ऐसा पता भी नहीं होता होगा इंक्यूबेशन क्या है, तो
oh okay
इंक्यूबेशन में
हाँ
हुआ क्या, होता क्या है उसमें?
So incubation period. So usually ये जो youth collab वाला I'll just brief about that. So in that they choose around like themes होता है उसमें certain winners they'll choose like so incubation is mostly like वो लोग आप लोग को थोड़ा training देगा workshop देगा they'll give you talks like like basic knowledge on how to run a startup like financial uh, vocabulary and terms and understanding of all of that वो सिखा देता है and but eventually they'll choose like two winners or one winner to like fund you ऐसा जिसको fund करेगा so yeah it's mostly that
एंड ये आपका अदले मिलेट को जीएस स्टेटस भी मिला है ना, तो बहुत लोगों
हम्म
को पता भी नहीं है जीएस स्टेटस क्या है एंड
हम्म
क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड पर्टिकुलरली गप्पो वाली के लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट था ये स्टेटस मिलना?
so actually हम ये ना इनिशियल वो देखा था इनिशियल फेज जीआई टेक का जब हो रहा था when so actually I had one organization that I had reached out वो था नाबार्ड हाँ तो बट सो नाबार्ड को आई वेंट टू रीच आउट टू नाबार्ड क्योंकि हमको ना ये एटले मिले का एक प्रोडक्ट वेरिएंट चाहिए था सो आई वेंट टू रीच आउट टू देम एंड तब वो लोग बताया था ओ ये मिलेट तो हम लोग इसको जीआई टैग के लिए दिया है ऐसा ना I was like, oh, makes sense. Like, so they also understood that, it's something that had to be. So GI tag is basically जो एक प्रोडक्ट होता है उसका जियोग्राफिक ओरिजिन और उसमें जो क्वालिटी जो पोजेस करता है ना वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया से उसका वो स्पेशलिटी मिल जाता है तो उसमें एक रेपुटेशन आ जाता है कि लाइक वो जगह का है ऐसा
ओके।
तो हाँ so उसमें like this Anya या Adle Millet got tagged from वो Upper Siang region में सो मोस्टली लाइक जियोग्राफी एंड द प्रोडक्ट वो दोनों का एक वो हो जाता है लाइक यू कैन सो नाउ जस्ट लाइक भूत जोलोकिया एंड ऑल नहीं होते क्या लाइक यू टेन टू लाइक कनेक्ट विद दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन सो वो आ जाता है
तो अगर ऐसा हो जाता है तो उससे क्या फ़ायदा होता है?
तो वो हो जाता है कि लाइक थोड़ा इफ इफ दे नो कि ये प्रोडक्ट जो उस वहां से आ रहा है और वहां से जीआई टैग है तो द प्रोडक्ट गेट्स अपर हैंड लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स क्वालिटी
और कुछ क्या मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट्स है इसका बारे में? जैसे ऐसा बेसिक आइडिया है?
minimal requirement in the sense what mean like how what are the like ways to get GI tagged?
नहीं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अभी
Mm.
मान लो ज़ीरो में जैसे कि आदमी लोग चावल उगाते हैं ना, तो
Mm-hmm.
वहाँ पे कुछ एक चावल का टाइप है मान लो जो ज़ीरो में उगाता है, तो उन लोग
Mm.
जो कोई भी जाके उसको जीआई टैग करवा सकते हैं ना? आई मीन
हाँ हाँ वो करवा सकता है बट वो इट विल गो थ्रू अ प्रोसेस वो सबमिशन करके सो लाइक इफ यू लाइक आई डोंट नो फॉर मी आई हैव लाइक अभी तक तो मैंने बस ये पता चला है कि नाबार्ड लोग ऐसा कराता है काफी ना नाबार्ड का टीम so if you know any product like that then you can always reach out to them and I think they further take the whole responsibilities वो लोग देख लेते हैं उसके बाद
आप वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह कराते हैं ना, तो वहाँ
हम्म
पे एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? आप जो गप्पो वाली का मिशन को बताता है या मोर लाइक इन हाई लेवल जनरल कि क्यों जो मिशन को आप वो पोर्ट्रे करें ना, क्यों हम लोग सब लोग केयर करना चाहिए क्रॉप्स के बारे में? बट जनरली जस्ट आप वर्कशॉप में क्या कराते हो एंड दूसरा के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके भी कुछ कराते हो लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम
हम्म
फार्मिंग एनीथिंग स्किल डेवलपमेंट वगैरह?
हम्म हाँ सो यूजुअली लाइक जो मेरा जो बेसिक लाइक सेंसिटाइजेशन वर्कशॉप होता है उसमें मोस्टली लाइक आई ट्राई टू लाइक एक छोटा प्रेजेंटेशन आई यूजुअली गिव वेयर आई ट्राई टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड लाइक यू नो एक पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप का like if we lose that how it affects us in like lot many ways and not just because not just in the consumption like how this particular millet if we talk about edle millet so a particular crop has certain ways that you farm, है ना? So that comes like the farming practices gets compromised, that's associated with the crops. And also, secondly, the linguistic richness that's associated with that food and certain terminologies that we tend to like express through like when you consume certain food so ये जो linguistic and dietary notion है उसका जो how it hampers along with like of course dietary like diversity तो compromise होता ही है but along with that like the other aspect are mostly like the linguistic farming practices is what I try to focus on.
ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जो सच में भी बहुत क्रिटिकल है, क्योंकि अभी
हम्म
एक्शन ले लेने से एक्सटिंक्ट हो सकता है ना, एंड लाइक आप
हम्म
वन ऑफ दोस पीपल हो जो एक्शन ले रहे हैं। सो बट अदर यूथ्स लाइक उनका परसेप्शन कैसा है? लाइक आर दे पॉजिटिव, आर दे हेल्पिंग आउट जनरली आसपास का यूथ?
हम्म Actually, I think that's something that I lagged. Like, I didn't really involve a lot of youth in like, so it's been 2 years, like a year, right? So last year I didn't do that, but this year I'm planning to like work more with the youth because I have also realized the whole point of, reviving is so that, we will know and we'll carry it forward. So that aspect is something that I didn't really think then because I was mostly working with like women farmers like older ladies. I mean that's also important, but I think it's also very critical that I like we address this to the younger people as well, and both of you reaching out means a lot to me that way. So
ये
yeah.
या आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग क्योंकि आपके पास अभी जो जो रिसोर्सेस है जो बराबर
Hmm.
आने लगे, लाइक दे हैव दैट नॉलेज ना, मतलब मे बी
Yeah.
थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज बट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है। सो अगर
Hmm.
उसको कैरी ऑन करना है बोलने से लाइक वी हैव टू डू इट। मे बी आपका रीजन का
Yeah.
या फिर जनरल नो, नहीं तो विजडम ऐसे
Hmm.
ही चला जाएगा एंड देन जस्ट आपके
Hmm.
पास रहेगा इनके साथ होगा। तो दैट मीन्स
Yeah.
आपका जो एक्चुअल मिशन है लॉन्ग टर्म में सस्टेन नहीं करेगा अनलेस
Hmm.
we don't gather people who truly care about what you care about, no? So that's what I was
Yeah.
thinking. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why like ये जो like soil regeneration project which I'm planning ना उसमें I'm trying to I'll try to involve like more youth from here region only, and we are planning to like add indigenous trees and crops in the rewilding area. So yeah, वो अभी plan है, like I think should get it started by May 13th, 14th, around sometime around that. So like, but I think that was one thing that I lacked, like, not inclusive, not very youth inclusive.
सो अभी आप जो सोइल जनरेशन प्लान मेंशन किया ना, उसके
हाँ
बारे में थोड़ा बता सकते हैं, है क्या?
हाँ. So very fortunately एक वो है कम्युटिनी करके, एक वो है कम्युटिनी एंड प्रभा करके एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है दिल्ली बेस्ड, एंड दे हैव बीन रनिंग कम्युनिटी नॉट, सो प्रभा इज द मदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दे हैव बीन रनिंग सिंस 1992 like as an NGO ना. So they, work with lot of youth. So ऐसा में, so they had also like I saw a poster of them looking for like youth leader in climate action. So I'm a part of that program, Youth Leader for Climate Action. I fortunately got selected through that, and so I think this is a very important program. Like in the coming year, I would like to like more people to join. So ये program में कुछ बोलना है?
नहीं, नहीं, हम बस वो पूछने के लिए ये प्रभा जो इन लोगों का अलग प्रोग्राम्स भी है क्या जो लोग राजस्थान ये सब में चलाते हैं?
हाँ 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 हाँ.
हम उसमें गया है उसका उन लोगों का वॉलंटियरिंग प्रोग्राम में।
Yeah. Very good organization, ना? हाँ हाँ.
हुँ,
तो अभी लाइक सो हाँ दे चूज ये प्रोग्राम में दे वो लोग ना रिवाइल्डिंग और रिन्यूएबल दोनों ऑप्शंस में दे लाइक मेक यू चूज. सो आई एम मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स रिवाइल्डिंग. सो आई मीन तो रीजनरेशन वो प्लान कर रहे हैं कि ये जो एक ऑरेंज ऑर्चार्ड है उसका लाइक सम एरिया विल चूज and try to like add more different other crops and see and take care of that orange orchard also, and see if at all with the diversification of trees and crops, and also with adding indigenous trees and crop varieties, if that would help with at all with the orange trees and its production. So that is something that I'm working with the community and the Pravat team.
ओके।
Yeah.
इट्स अ लाइक इट्स अ वेरी प्लीज़िंग
हाँ.
कोइंसिडेंस टू हियर द नेम।
Yeah. कौन सा वॉलंटियरिंग प्रोग्राम में गया था?
हम 2 किया, एक ICS बोल के
ओह!
इंटरनेशनल
हाँ,
सिविल सर्विस और एक
हाँ,
CVC कम्युनिटी
हाँ।
वॉलंटियरिंग। तो
ओह! वाह! 2-2।
फर्स्ट वाला 3 महीना का था जिसमें राजस्थान
हाँ,
में हम लोग
हाँ।
प्लेस हुआ और सेकंड वाला 1
हाँ,
महीना का था, वो भी लेकिन राजस्थान में प्लेस हुआ था।
वो अशरफ ना, अशरफ एंड अर्जुन है ना वो लोग का फाउंडर?
फाउंडर तो मुझे नहीं पता, हम बस मेरा
ओह!
जो जो लोग मेरा
हाँ,
प्रोग्राम में था, हम लोग को मैनेज किया था, बस उन
हाँ,
लोगों के साथ
हाँ।
कनेक्शन था, तो उसमें
ओह,
पता नहीं
ओह!
आप मिले कि नहीं
अच्छा,
मिला।
अच्छा। हाँ, हाँ।
निकिता, पूजा, अर्चना
ओह!
वगैरह
नहीं,
लोगों।
नहीं, नहीं। ओह! अच्छा, अच्छा, सही है। हाँ,
अच्छा है, उन लोग का प्रोग्राम्स बहुत कूल-कूल होते हैं वैसे ना
हाँ, हाँ, वही,
और
वही।
यूथ लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। वॉलंटियरिंग प्रोग्राम
हाँ,
बहुत
इट्स
अच्छा है।
वेरी
आप लोग को यूथ लोग को
हाँ,
जाना
बहुत
चाहिए।
हाँ, बहुत यूथ इंटेंसिव वाला होता है वो लोग का ना।
हुँ,
Hmm. So how वो लोग से I'm also like yeah, why shouldn't I add more youth in my like team or like people who I work with. So yeah. Nice. सही है.
कूल।
आपका करंट टीम में मेंबर्स कितना है गप्पो वाली पे?
So I don't really have a full-time team. Like full-time team if you see there's like 5 of us, but mostly it's like part-time, like when in need.
एंड कोलैबोरेशन करने से तो आप, क्योंकि आपका ऐसा चीज़ है जिसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सच में भी ये क्या था, सोसाइटी से हेल्प चाहिए ना, तो एनी स्टेक
Mm-hmm.
होल्डर या पार्टनर कुछ भी चीज़ के लिए मतलब जिसके साथ आप कोलैबोरेट करते हो, मे बी नॉट फ्रीक्वेंटली बट इनफ्रीक्वेंटली ऐसे।
Oh. Yeah. So yeah, Arunachal Rural Livelihood Mission Team, they have been of big help. You know, I have also realized, I have always thought like, जब हम start कर रहा था ना, तब से I have been wondering, should I reach out to them? Should I? Because I know they work, on agri base also, and they work with a lot of SHG women base. I have always thought, should I? But I don't know. Like I was always very hesitant, and I wasn't sure if they would accept my ideas. But I good that I managed to reach out to them. So they have been of big help. And I mean, they have never like dismissed my idea. Like, the team in Dambuk is like really great like that. So like that's one of the major like, help that I get from. And another is also like, other entrepreneurs like, the owner of House of McNock, Nina. Like she's also an amazing person to like, if you ever want to reach out, like you can always reach out to her. She's always so open, you know. And also there's this Akum Foundation, where it's also very new foundation. So they are also always very open to like, helping people with their skill in terms of like, skill development. So that way I try to reach out to like organizations that I resonate with, and yeah.
सो हाउ डिड सो आप ये सब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जो ग्रुप्स एंटिटीज लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया ना, लेकिन उन लोग
Mm-hmm.
किस तरह से आपको मदद किया?
Oh yeah. So different ways. So like ARSLM to mostly with helping in mobilization, na? And like House of Magnog, if you see, mostly as a resource person, है ना?
सो
And if it, हाँ,
एक सवाल, आप जब
हाँ,
मोबिलाइजेशन बोला ना, तो मोबिलाइजेशन
हाँ.
मतलब क्या है?
So mobilization also like when I want to hold a workshop, so I'll need people to be there so that like I impart something to them and like some जिसके साथ मैं काम कर सकूँ आगे ऐसा ना. So I mean I tell I'll reach out to the ARSLM people that I want to conduct such workshop, like will you help me get will you will you help me call the women folks there and gather somewhere ऐसा. So that way they help me with that because since they're in constant touch with the SSGs and the women folks here, so it's more easier to if they reach out, that way.
और फिर आप बाकी लोगों का नाम लिया ना, जैसे कि मैग्नॉक और उन लोग, तो उन लोग
Hmm.
किस तरह से हेल्प किया?
So McNock तो mostly as a resource person ना, so they are I mean I think इनका तो बहुत कुछ products होता है like jewelry and like pickles and lot of things they have. But I was mostly interested in jewelry because ये जो millet है Adle millet उससे भी jewelry बना सकता है. So, to add that as a skill and for the people to like, if at all they plan to use or they want to. So, in that sense, I had reached out to her. But unfortunately, the millet that I had given was like very old. वो harvest होने के बाद नहीं use करते. Mostly, when they are just starting, like नया नया बड़ा हो रहा होता है, तब they like pluck it and then it's easier to like sew inside also. So for them it was for the like jewelry making workshop and you know since they like we also usually have the beads and all. So I thought it would like help them as additional skill for them to like add on to them. So ये एक था aspect. And Akum Foundation and there's another society also, Rasing Welfare Society. So these two has mostly helped us with the financial aspect and the logistic aspect of it. So different collaboration and different needs that you get from them. Yeah, it's up to you to like choose, like pick and choose from whom to ask what.
सो जब जब खुद का प्रोडक्ट रेडी कर रहा था ना, एमवीपी फॉर एग्जांपल, तो
हाँ,
वो जो प्रोसेस था, जैसे कि सब मिलेट्स को कलेक्ट करना, फिर उसको पैक करना, उसके लिए बैग बनाना, वो सब आप पर्सनली किया था?
yeah, वो तो मैंने खुद किया है because it was a small batch also, like and quite manageable, I think for me.
बट फॉर फ्यूचर
Hmm.
फ्यूचर में फॉर एग्जांपल आप लार्ज बैचेस में करेगा ना, तो उसमें आपको किन लोगों
Hmm.
का ज़रूरत पड़ेगा?
So yeah, in the like in future when I do like abhi bhi it's almost a big batch only, the one that's coming now. So I'm hoping ki like now I'll add both mix of like women and youth in general like in my work is something that I plan to do. Abhi say like yeah.
So do you have like a, I don't know, like a plan on how you're going to like look for these people, or how you're going to like कैसे लोगों को involve कराएगा?
Hmm. So yeah, mostly so I don't know if in your villages how this works, but here like there's like lot of like age-wise, they have that friendship group, like the local friendship teams. They have like team, or I don't know. They have no, like we call it serum. So like reaching out to like some of the few that I see are leading them. So that's how I'm trying to like slowly trying to reach out. Like I've reached out to like couple of them. So far they seem interested. So I think it should be like good. There shouldn't. I'm sure there will be hurdles, but I mean it's okay.
आप स्टार्टिंग में बताया था ना कि स्कूल टाइम पे आप जो बहुत शांत शांत था तो अकेला अकेला था, लेकिन अभी सुन के लग रहा है कि आपको इतना ज़्यादा इंसानों को इंटरेक्ट करना पड़ता है ना, एंड कर भी रहे हो।
हाँ
दैट्स व्हाई
हाँ
यू
हाँ
कम दिस फार। सो व्हाट लेड टू दिस चेंज, मतलब कैसा ये न्यू इमाम उभर के आया उससे?
So honestly, uh, I think it's also because I travel a lot, है ना? Like I like to travel, and I think it really helps to develop your social skill also because you tend to be in different groups. Like, I've been in really different groups like over the past few years. Like, I have this group where I meet for adventure sports. I have this group like, where it's only like, entrepreneurs and a bunch of friends who are working as researchers and all. So really different groups. And I think Abhi, like I like talking to people now, like until like it's something that interests me. Yeah, I don't know like what inhibitions I had back then, but I think it's about like how many people you meet and you start to like wanting to like curiosity also I think definitely.
ओके। एंड आपका जो जर्नी था सो फार टिल
Mhm.
गेपो, मतलब व्हाट वर द challenges you faced, like maybe
Yeah.
in terms of like could be anything आपका माइंड में जो भी आ रहा है, if you could share.
Mm. So challenges, if we see, like, for me, a major challenge has always been the financial aspect. Like, financial aspect in the sense, like, whole of, like, uh, there are certain,
Hello.
working with the registration of your company and yeah, like really like basics is what I struggled with, like, because it's not like, like I'm very new to this field in general, and this is not something that I aspired to be, that, I had like read upon and, I'm joining it, right? So it just happened to be a chance that I took upon kind of a thing. So there are a lot of things that I didn't know, like, and also when it comes to product, I'm still struggling with one, working for a product variant like since last year. But yeah, like a lot of like business terminologies and social awkwardness when you're in a gathering, like how to talk to like the investors and all, it's like a lot of a lot of challenges. Some are like really personal in the sense like me myself because I'm not able to do it. Like certain like questioning myself in my own way, and things like that. And along with other like that's like mostly everyone faces like the other challenges that a business face.
And you also mentioned earlier कि आपका फैमिली जो सरप्राइज था कि आप फार्मिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन चूज करने वाला है ना, लाइक समथिंग रिलेटेड टू फार्मिंग।
Mm-hmm.
तो बट स्टिल हाउ वाज देयर सपोर्ट, लाइक पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, एंड आल्सो योर peers, relatives, friends and all, कैसा था उनका सपोर्ट?
Mm-hmm. I when I was starting, I really didn't share it with anyone. It was just me, my idea that I went with, and eventually, since I got the seed fund and all, and like everyone got to know. That's how everyone got to know. And actually, honestly, they haven't been, like averse to this idea. Neither have they been like they have just been okay. But luckily, my mother is quite helpful. Like she really gets excited when I say like let's do this and all. So yeah, it has been like when I need support, I ask them and they give. Like it's not like they're constantly like trying to push me to help and stuff like that. It has been a very I think calm like support, like not really, not necessarily active, but when needed, okay. Otherwise, like just mind your own business.
एंड आपका प्रोडक्ट जो है उसको अगर कोई खरीदना चाहे तो कहाँ से खरीदे? क्योंकि व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू सम आर्टिकल्स कमेंट सेक्शन
Hmm.
पे आई सॉ कि वेयर कैन आई बाय दिस मिलेट ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा था, तो कहीं पे
Oh,
है?
is it?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन
So,
ऑफलाइन, क्योंकि पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड, सो कहाँ हम लोग
huh.
खरीद सकते
So actually, I'm thinking. I was actually initially thinking of keeping in some of the departmental stores here and around Arunachal. But if I get orders like from other states, then I'm open to like send it across as well. Yeah. So there's this person from Tamil Nadu, like who's wanting to who has shown interest in growing this millet also. So I have to like I'll be parceling him some. He wanted to test it how it grows there. So yeah, I'm open to like that, but I don't really have a website or any other platform as such as of yet. Yeah,
हैं?
budget's too high for that.
ओके, सो एनी मैसेज टू आवर जनरेशन, हम लोग का जो यूथ है, कुछ एनी मैसेज मे बी हाउ टू थिंक अबाउट थिंग्स एंड हाउ टू व्यू लाइफ, एनी मैसेज दैट हैज
Yeah,
शेप्ड यू? या
I think I would just like to like since like since like the Poali is also an entrepreneur venture. So I think in that line, I would just like to say like the idea of a business or an entrepreneur is so different now among the people, like because uh, it's it's something that people with no money can also start, just because one doesn't really need money to start something, in the sense like one should understand like the smallest of smallest initiative as a business idea or as an entrepreneurial venture for them. Just because you open a cafe, or that doesn't make you really an entrepreneur. It's about understanding, always majorly it's about trying to solve a problem through like certain your own creative ways, is what I would like to say. Like when you are talking to elders also, or like to anyone, like try to identify, if you see a problem or a loophole there, like working on it is something that I think should be like one should do going forward, like in their way. Yeah.
या आई थिंक आई कंप्लीटली एग्री ऑन दैट. ऑफन टाइम्स क्या होता है
Mm.
कि हम लोग देखता है प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेशली हम लोग का पीपल,
Hmm.
but हम लोग जस्ट वॉइस
Yeah.
करते हैं लेकिन एक्शन नहीं करते. लेकिन वो
Yeah.
लोग ही आगे बढ़ते हैं जो सच में भी एक्शन करता है. एंड
Yeah, because even me, like, until I had actually, at like 2021, right? 2021, so I was just thinking that only kuch karna hai. But, like, in the smallest way, I was like, chalo, like, just take one crop and just go ahead, is something that I thought. So I mean, it's okay to like. I mean, sabhi small start karte, but it looks big to the outer world. Like for you, it looks small. Like I feel like what am I doing, right? But for some others, when I talk to people, they're like, oh wow. I'm like, oh really? That's how you feel. So it's okay. Like the smallest of the small. Like just pick a problem and try to work on it. I think that's more than enough. That's a very like innovative work for yourself and for the society, or like whoever you aim to, like for the animals or whatever. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah.
एंड ऑल्सो अगर कोई जब ये वीडियो अगर कोई डिस्कवर करेगा एंड दे वांट टू रीच आउट टू यू, तो कहाँ पे वो लोग रीच आउट कर सकते हैं?
Oh yeah, they can reach out to me to Gapo Ali's page, Gapo GEPO underscore double ALI.
ओके.
Gapo Ali, or yeah, like yeah, you can reach out through, I think, through Instagram page only, or like through email also, diggapo@gmail.com. Like yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hmm.
So that's about it. Thank you दिमोम, टाइम निकाल के हम लोग को अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए. जब यानिया हमको फर्स्ट आपके बारे में बताया था, ऑनेस्टली आई वाज क्वाइट इंट्रिग्ड बाय योर जर्नी, बिकॉज ये इट्स नॉट एन ऑफन केस कि हम लोग का सर्कल में हम लोग मिलता है जो करेजियस इनफ है आपका जैसा इतना एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन एक्सप्लोरेशन करना एंड ऑल्सो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करना. So that's why I was like, I want to meet you and talk to you. And so, yeah, so once again, thank you so much. And we'll end the session here. If you have any last word, you can share. But hopefully, we'll stay in touch.